This is YouTube channel Popular Drawings. How to draw a unicorn? Very easy. Let's paint. Friend, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click like this tutorial. And I can shoot new videos for you. There are many other drawing videos on my YouTube channel. Go and watch tutorials.